Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, as usual, we're going to be analyzing the market together and we'll be looking for possible entry opportunities. All right. Okay, so if you don't have enough trading capital, I'll suggest you start funding your account right now. And if you fund your account on my live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. Okay, I have a premium group where I give signals, market analysis, and market reports. So to join the premium group, all you have to do is deposit into your trading account on this live stream. And to do that, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Now, when you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. Okay. So once you're on the deposit page, if you deposit $10, $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. Okay. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get access to a one-on-one class. Okay. So if you don't know how to trade the forex market, I'll teach you how to become a profitable forex trader and even share with you my personal trading strategy. Okay. All right, so let's get into the activity of today. We don't want to waste too much time. We have other things we need to attend to. All right. Okay, so for this, as you can see, we have a break of structure here on BTC USDT. Okay, we have a break to the upside on BTC USDT. So this is a break of structure here. And previously we had a liquidity pool to this level. Okay, we had a liquidity pool to this level where the market violated the rule. Okay, so the market violated the bullish trend, the internal structure here. Okay, the market violated the rule here, and that is how we came about this break of structure. Okay, all right, so let's head down to the lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, we want to see the level we can place our trade from, right? So we have an entry point. We have an entry point from the lower time frame, but I think we should use the higher time frame instead. Okay, let's use the higher time frame instead. So since the market has already gone above this level is not usable. Okay, so we can't use the level anymore. It's best to focus on where the current market is, and this is where the market currently is. Right. So now I want the market to come back to this area. Okay, I want the market to come back to this area. All right, and when I get an entry, that is when the market comes into the 50% level here. I'm going to place a buy trade and hold the trade till this high, right? So, all right, so we have an analysis on BTC USDT. Okay, we have analysis on BTC USDT. All right. All right, so uh, we'll come back to check on the analysis we have on BTC USDT. All right, let's just continue to make more analysis for now. Okay, so Ethereum USDT. We are currently on Ethereum USDT 1 hour time frame, and the Ethereum USDT is making similar moves to BTC USDT. Okay, so you see here we have a purge in liquidity. Okay, we have a purge in liquidity, and then this is where we have our break of structure or change of character. Okay, so this is where we have a change of character. Now let's look for level where we can sell this from. So we have levels here. We have areas where the market has failed. So we have a rejection here. And since this is right, we have a rejection here. So we have two zones actually where I think the market uh, can possibly make it move from. Okay, so we have this zone, which is our number one zone. And before this fair value gap, we also have a break of sorry, we also have another block below. Okay, we have another block which is the last bearish candle here. Okay, the candle that created low. All right, the last bearish candle. So this is our other block, but this will be an early entry because most times the market will not sell down to the other block before reversing. So my entry will be from the fair value gap here. My take profit will be this high. Okay, and now because I have an early entry, my stop loss is going to be below this. Okay, below the other block, which is the last bearish candle that was created before this movement. All right, so so the market can decide to come down to this level before making a bullish move. Okay, but whichever one comes first, this is going to come first. All right, this is going to happen first. But if it doesn't hold the market, if it doesn't hold this level, and it breaks uh, to this other block, then the market will possibly make move from the other block. Okay. All right, so we have analysis on Ethereum USDT, and it's similar to the one we have on Ethereum BTC USDT. Okay. So their movement is always similar. That is why their analysis, looks uh, almost the same. All right, so let's analyze. All right, we have analysis on BTC USDT. We have another one on Ethereum USDT, and now we are currently on BNB USDT. All right. All right, so for BNB USDT, for BNB USDT, So for BNB USDT, we have a liquidity purge below this level, and then we have okay, all right. So we have a liquidity purge below this level, and then we have a change of character. Okay, we have a change of character. This also looks similar to the analysis we just made on Ethereum USDT. Okay, yeah, they look similar. Okay, so I'm not going to use this level actually because this is an internal level. Okay, it's an internal level. So I prefer to use external level since we are trading the external. Okay, we are not trading the internal, we are trading the external. And what happened here? This is a break of structure. Okay, but it happened inside this circle. Okay, so it happened inside this circle. Um, it doesn't count as an important move. Okay, and the reason why it doesn't count as an important move is because it's internal. Okay, it happened internally. It happened when the market is still inside this zone. You see, it's inside, which is within um, the liquidity purge and our change of character. Okay, so these are the internal moves. These are the internal moves. These are the ones that moves the market. Okay, so we get to decide by using what happened previously and what is happening currently. Okay, so before we can decide what is going to happen in the future, we have to know what has happened previously. And then what has happened previously is that the market came down to this level, purging this liquidity, and then the market came, went above this level, breaking structure to the upside, creating a change of character. So now that we have a change of character, the next thing to look out for is a reversal point, which is our point of interest. Now, our point of interest will be this level. Okay, our point of interest will be this level where we have our first fair value gap. Okay, we have our first fair value gap here. So this is our point of interest. Okay, and then our stop loss will be just below the previous low. Okay, so it is now a previous low because the market went above the previous high. All right, but this is not yet our low. Okay, this is not a low yet. I'll need the market to come down to create a new low. So in the process of coming to create the new low, I'm looking forward to the market. I look forward for the market to come down to this level. Okay, I want the market to come down to this level. This is my entry point. Okay, so we have an entry point on BNB USDT, right? All right, so talking about BTC, Ethereum, and BNB USDT. Guys, remember the halving event I talked about some weeks ago? So the Bitcoin halving event is happening tomorrow, okay? 20th of April 2024. All right. So in case you didn't get, when I was making the explanation, I'll just re-explain everything about the event and what we're expecting to happen tomorrow. All right. So let's start with Bitcoin halving. All right. So what exactly is a Bitcoin halving? Well, it's when the reward for Bitcoin miners are cut into half. All right. So the Bitcoin miners are the investors in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. All right. They are like the investors. So their profit is going to be cut into half tomorrow. All right, the profit they make. So instead of giving them the full profit, tomorrow is going to be cut into half. All right. So this event happens every once in four years. All right. So what this simply means is that we are looking forward to the Bitcoin, to drop down tomorrow. Okay, because when the event takes place, it's just like when we have a news event happening in the forex market. All right. So the news event, the data gotten from the news event, always uh, give the either give momentum to the market or weaken the market. All right. So that is exactly what is going to happen tomorrow. So when the Bitcoin halving event happens, the price of Bitcoin is expected to drop down. Okay, because the investors are not happy with the cotton. All right. So a lot of investors are going to withdraw their investment. Okay. So when this is happening, the Bitcoin is expected to drop down. All right. And the reason why I'm telling you this is if you are a lover of crypto instrument, tomorrow is a good opportunity. All right. So you can make arrangements, fund your account, because what we are expecting with the previous data, we expect the market to drop down heavily tomorrow. Okay. So guys, watch out for news event and make sure to make your analysis properly. Okay, and also make sure to protect your capital. If you want to trade the event tomorrow, I'll suggest you practice a very good risk management. Use a very good risk management strategy. Okay, so make sure you don't over leverage. Uh, don't use an amount you can't afford to lose. Okay, so make sure you invest wisely. If you are trading the news, there's no specific time yet, but I'm going to send that to, if you are my premium member, you are going to get that in the premium group. So once I have a confirmed time, the exact time the event is going to happen, I'm not going to communicate it in the premium group. And for the general group also, don't worry, the news is going to be communicated. Okay, so the time for the event, the specific time for the event will be sent to the group, right? Okay, so let's continue with our trading activity. All right. So we stopped at BNB USDT. Okay, and we already have an analysis on BTC USDT and Ethereum USDT. Okay. All right. Let's make analysis on XAU USD. I don't think we've done that before. All right. Let's analyze XAU USDT, which is the gold. All right, so we are currently on XAUSD 1 hour time frame, and the market has been ranging on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the market movement has been very sluggish, has been very slow, and I think XAU, the gold market is waiting for a news event to correct its movement. So whenever you see a market, moving sideways, the reason behind this is because the market movers, which is the market makers, are trying to align with the gaps in the market. Okay, so they are trying to align with the gaps in the market. So, as a retailer, what you are expected to do is look for areas where we have open gaps. Okay, so you can set a limit on a gap, and then when the market falls or rise to that level, you can take opportunity of what is going to happen next in the market. All right. So for this, we have multiple areas where the market can actually. All right. Let's make analysis. Guys. So from here to this level, you see we have this break of structure, we have this break of structure, and the market keeps making bullish moves. All right, and after this break of structure, okay, we also got another one here. Also got this break of structure here. Okay, so this is also a valid break of structure. But you see what happened here? The market came down to this level, okay, to retest this gap. All right, the market came down to this level to retest this gap, and the reason is because um, after the break of structure here, we expected the market to take liquidity. Okay, so liquidity inducement, whichever one you want to call it. So we expected the market to break this level, yeah, using this level as what? As an inducement level. Okay, we expected the market to induce this level to the downside, but instead the market reversed before it could get to that point. Okay, leaving a gap here. You see on the lower time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame, we can see the gap clearly. Now we have a gap here, and so these are few of the small details that traders don't pay attention to, right? So these are the small details I always talk about. Now look at this market. You see, there's a small gap here, and the market came down to this level to retest the gap. Okay, pull down to the level, pull down to that fair value gap, and that is how the market, was able to create this movement next. All right. So after the break of structure here and this area, the next break of structure, because after this break of structure, this is the break of structure here. So a new high was created. This is the new high. All right. So all the structure here are internal structures. Okay, they are internal structures because after this high was created, you see the market moved down to retest this level. Okay, retest the level where we have a fair value gap before this new high was created. So now that we have this new high, we have a new break of structure, right? So for this break of structure now, let's see if we have areas where the market um, has left a fair value gap, or if we have an order block. So we have another block here. We have another block. All right, and the market is currently on the order block. Okay, the market is currently sitting on the support order block. Now let's see what happens next. Let's see if the market is going to close above the moving average, right? So we want this market to close above our moving average. And okay, let's go down to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's head down to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. All right, so as you can see on the 5 minutes time frame, we have a structure. Okay, we have a structure here. Okay, we have a structure here. The structure here is we have a liquidity grab. We have this level and a change of character. Okay, we have a change of character. All right, so no matter how small the change of character is, change of character is change of character. Okay, as far as there's a level there. So you see, this analysis aligns well with what we have in the higher time frame. Okay, so On 30 minutes time frame, you see we have a level here, and on the lower time frame, which is the 5 minutes time frame, we have a confirmation that the level is a good one. Okay, it's a valid support level. And how do we know it's a valid support level? Because on the lower time frame, you can see we have liquidity purge, and then we also have a change of character. Okay, which is our reversal confirmation pattern. All right. So now, what we're expecting from the market is to close, give us a rejection. Possibly maybe come back into this other block, give us a rejection, and then close above the moving average. So once this is confirmed, we are going to place a buy position. Okay, we are going to place a buy position. Let's say from here to this level, using this low as our stop loss. Yeah, stop loss, and this high as our take profit area. All right. Yes. Perfect. All right. So we have analysis on XBUSD. Um, okay. So I think we have analysis. We are looking for confirmation, immediate confirmation. Okay. We don't have any. Okay. So I thought we have analysis. We are waiting for the confirmation. Right. So the confirmation on BNB USDT, Ethereum USDT, and BTC USDT is still far from our entry point. Okay, still far from our entry point. So, and since we couldn't get an entry point on the lower time frame, I suggest we just continue to make more analysis. Okay, let's continue to make more analysis. So for this, we have this. All right, so this is USD JPY, the United States dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay. All right. So for this pair, uh, as you can see, so we have the market rejecting this fair value gap zone. Okay. So we have right. We have the market moving from where we have the fair value gap. All right. Okay, so we have a fair value gap here, and you can see how the market came down to that level, made a retest, and now it's trying to create another high, okay, higher than all of these levels. So let's go down to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, let's go down to 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30-minute time frame, I think we can actually take this trade. We can take this trade. Yeah, we can take this trade, and our stop loss will just be there. Our take profit will be on the side. All right. So guys, go to USDJPY. USDJPY. Okay, so let me see how much we're going to be risking for this trade. Let me see if it's a good trade to take advantage on. Okay, let me see if our risk to reward ratio would favor us. All right, so USDJPY. Let me quickly calculate. All right, so what is our stop loss? Okay, our stop loss is 154.205. Okay. All right. So I think it's a good trade. Okay, it's a good trade. So if you are taking this trade, you're going to be risking less than $2. Okay, we are risking less than $2 for this trade. All right, guys. So let's buy USDJPY. All right, let's buy USDJPY. Then for our take profit and stop loss, TP. Then for our stop loss, okay. All right, so we have an open position on USDJPY, and we have our take profit and our stop loss on. Right. So enter your stop loss and your take profit. Yeah. All right. So you see, XAUSD is currently making a move into our entry point. Okay, it's currently making moves into our entry point. Okay, so we have a position open on USDJPY. Yeah. So let's continue to make more analysis. Okay, so let's make analysis on USD That's the United States dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay. So for this, we have a trend line connecting the dots. Okay, we have a valid trend line. Let's see if we can make that into a channel. And yes, we have a valid channel. Okay. So we have a channel that is facing down. Channel is facing down. And then we have a break of structure here. We have liquidity grab. So this can be changed to a change of character instead. Okay. Right. And then so for entry point, we have this level. Okay, for entry point, we have this level. Okay. So as you can see, on the 30 minutes time frame, so after respecting the order block here, you see how the market created, um, you know, this bearish move. Okay, and the bearish move is also respecting the fair value gap, because when this was created, see, the market make back a pullback, okay, into the fair value gap, and then creating more bearish candlesticks. Okay, so now we have another point of interest here. Okay, we have another point of interest here. We expect the market to buy into this level. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting the market to do. I'm expecting the market to buy into this level before making a bearish move. Okay, before it continues its bearish movement. Right. Okay. Right. All right, so this is what I expect from USDCAD. Okay. All right, so let's move on. Okay. Okay, so for the next analysis, let's jump to GBP USD. Okay, the Great British Pounds against the United States dollars. All right, so we are currently on GBP USD 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, the market has created series of structural break to the downside previously, and right now we are expecting the market. Okay, wait, let me see something. Okay, so yeah, we're expecting the market to continue breaking structures to the downside. Okay, all right. So we have this move, we have this, right? And since we have this structure, we have this structure. Now let's go down to, yeah, 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what is going on in the 30 minutes time frame first. Okay, so on the 30-minute time frame, we have this move. Okay, we have this fair value gap, and as you can see, currently the market is respecting the fair value gap. Okay, all right, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame because we still have quite a bit of time before the end of that candle there. All right, so on the 15 minute time frame, we have less than a minute to the end of this current candle. So let's see how this candle closes. So if it closes this way, with a long wick and a small body, then we enter for a sell. Okay, we are going to take a sell once we get the confirmation here. All right. So the candle closed and it closed with a wick and a small body. Okay, guys, let's enter for let's open position for GBP USD. Okay, open a sell position on GBP USD. Right. So we have two positions running right now. We have USD JPY and the second one GBP USD. Okay, so for GBP USD, we're going to be setting a stop loss and a take profit also, so the market doesn't, Okay, so all right. Uh, GBP USD. So this is gonna be a sell. And, and for the stop loss, let me see how much we are risking for this trade. So we have a stop loss of 1.24674, right? Which is yeah, less than $2. So this is a good investment, guys. All right, so um, I'm just going to write out the take profit and the stop loss for this position. Okay, so TP, and then for the stop loss, let's head down. Okay, SL. Yeah. So guys, enter the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. All right, so I believe everyone has said their take profit and the stop loss. Okay, so we're just going to leave the trade to run and make sure you close positions when you start making, good profit. All right. All right, so let's continue. Let's continue with our analysis. Okay, let's check on GBP JPY. Okay, let's check on GBP JPY. So we took this trade yesterday in our premium group, and we made good profit. So this was the first TP, and the market hit TP. Okay, and then we had the second TP. The second TP was also hit. Okay, guys, we are making profit in the premium group. All right. So all you need to do is just fund your account. Okay, so you are not even paying for the premium group. All right, you are just funding your account. You are funding your trading account. Okay, you are not paying. So to join the premium group, just fund your account on this live stream. All right, just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. So when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10, $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15, $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200, $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a free session, okay, a live trading session. So for the session, I'll be able to teach you how to start trading forex market the profitable way, okay, and also share my personal trading strategy with you, okay. So how I'm able to get all these entries, the scalping entries and all. So I'll be able to share that with you during our session, okay. But for the $10 and the $15 package, um, $10 for 2 weeks, $15 for 1 month, you'll be added to the premium group, and the benefit you get to enjoy is the free signal and the market analysis. Okay, so it's only the $200 that comes with uh, a live session, okay, a one-on-one session, private session. All right. Okay, so we have a few more minutes left. So let's see what we can do before our time run out. Okay. All right. So uh, let's go to Euro USD. Okay. Let's make analysis from the Euro USD. Okay. So yesterday I gave this. I gave this entry. Yeah. Okay. I gave the entry, but the market didn't respect it. Yeah. The market didn't respect it. Let me just delete that. This is gone. So the market didn't respect our entry. Okay. So instead, the market, went below the level. Okay. The market went below the level. So right now, the impression this market is giving us is um, a sell impression. Yeah. So for this, we have a liquidity pool, and then we have a change of character right after. Right. So now we want the market to come back to this level. Want the market to come back to this level and sell from this level. Okay. So let's see what happens when the market gets here. So you see, everything that is required to become a profitable forex trader is just patience. Okay. All right. So now you see, now we have to wait until the market come into this level. Okay, into this box. Now, when the market gets into this box, we are not going to start sell. We're not going to start selling the market immediately. Okay, we still need the market to give us a confirmation, and the confirmation will be with the candle pattern. Okay, or the candle formation. How the candle, rallies around the box. Okay, around this level. If the candle leaves, let's say, like a week with a small body, and I want the small body to be below, not above. Okay, so that's a confirmation for a sell. Something like this. Okay, something like this. Right, a hanging man. All right. So when that happens around this level, that is a confirmation for a sell. Okay. So if that doesn't happen, we have you know other series of candle formation or candle patterns that happens, that gives confirmation that the market is about to reverse. Okay, so just watch out for this level. If you get, like a rejection or maybe a bearish engulfing pattern, so these are patterns I look out for when I have a sell or a buy limit. Okay, so once you get the confirmation, you can enter for a sell on Euro USD. Okay. Right, so we have limited time, and I'm not going to be able to give update on this. So that is why I'm telling you what to look out for or what to watch out for when the market gets into this box. Right, so you can just take a screenshot, um, you know, just replicate this on your own chart. So when the market here gets to this point, you know what to do then. All right, and then for all right, so that's it for Euro USD. Okay. Now let's go to Euro JPY, right? Euro JPY. So for Euro JPY, let's delete all the analysis we've made before. Let's make a fresh analysis. Okay. Okay. So for this, you see, this is what happened. So we have a liquidity graph here. You see the market went above this level. Okay, giving us a liquidity graph over there. And then we have this low, and the low got broken. So this was turned to a change of character, right? This became a change of character. And now that we have a change of character here, the next thing we want to look out for is area where the market can reverse from. Okay. And then for area where the market can reverse from, we have this last bullish move, okay, which is our order block. Okay, we have this last bullish, which is our order block. And you see what happened when the market got there? What happened? The market sold. Okay, the market sold. So I think the same thing is going to happen for the second time. Okay, I think it's going to happen again. So this time around, you see, we also have liquidity graph here. We have liquidity graph. We have change of character. And then we are expecting the market come back into this level and make retest from that level. All right. So let's head down to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So for the 15 minutes time frame, this is what is currently happening here. But for this, you're not going to open the position here because as you can see, their moves are similar. Okay, it's similar to our analysis on GBP JPY. Okay, so their moves are similar, and we already have two positions running. Okay, so let's just leave the position. Let's leave the position to run, and I will make analysis on other instruments later to see if we can get other opportunity, and that will be shared to the general group once I get any. All right. So guys, it's 11 a.m. and that has brought us to the end of our live trading session for today, and for this week in general. So guys, join me again next week. Same time, let's analyze the market and look for possible entry opportunities. Okay. So till then, enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy your weekend, and bye for now.